There. Hash browns. Nicely. We're going to press this out like this. And stick that. It's the same thing over here. Press that nicely. Get yourself a nice round. There you go, that's what we're looking for. Beautiful. Take our patty, flip that too. There you go. Now what we're going to do is take some pancake batter. We're going to use our spatula to make sure we have it spread evenly. We get a little bit of chives. Take this, set aside. Come back to our patty. We're going to give it a little flip. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Clean that up nicely. So when this is ready, grab it, bring it over here. Okay, we take this glass, simply drive it in here. Look at that. And we just continue. Nice and easy. Go. Press in. Do a little twist. And they all come out nicely, as they should. All right. Take that out. And a good press. Nice little twist. Just like that. Take it out. Perfect. Pick this up carefully. There we go. Place it here. And now, get our eggs. Drop them in gently. Go on to our second one. Repeat the process. Now these are your pancakes, your eggs, so you can put in as many or as little as you want. Okay, I'm gonna go with some salt and pepper on both of them. Nicely. Now, what we're gonna do is come back with our tops and recover our pancakes. Like that, get them in there. There we go. Some nice cheddar. Cover your pancakes. Beautiful bacon we did earlier. Okay. And we let them cook. Cheese will melt nicely. Once our eggs are ready, slide your 2 spatulas right underneath the pancake and we transfer it nicely like this. Come back for our second one. How pretty that is. Take our sausage patty, our hash browns, slide it on there carefully, nice and gently. Okay, so carefully and quickly slide this off just like the other. Perfect. Finish it off with this beauty here. There you go. A little butter on there. Maple syrup. Just a little drizzle. And some chives. Little pepper.